and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure to welcome you to the Dental Excellence Academy. Today I stand before you proud and honored to introduce our academy as a leader in dental education, where we provide the latest technologies and techniques in dentistry. Our courses are taught by the renowned professionals in the field, ranges from dental implants and endodontics to the cosmetic dentistry and smile design. At the Dental Excellence Academy, we are dedicated to fostering the new generation of dental professionals who are not only knowledgeable but also compassionate and patient-centric. Our state-of-art facilities, cutting-edge curriculum and hands-on training approach equip our graduates with the skills and confidence to excel in their career. So, whether you are a seasoned dental professional looking for further dental education or a recently passed out graduate looking for a comprehensive training, we invite you to the Dental Excellence Academy family. Let us together continue to advance the field of dentistry and provide the highest standards of care to our patient. So again, I welcome you to the Dental Excellence Academy. Let's have a great future to ourselves and to our fraternity. Thank you.